Got my boy JJ Evans here. He's a
Hey guys.
Filmmaker just like myself. You're wearing Patrick out right now, so he'll...
Yeah, it's good, so he'll be calm at the air show.
Yeah, so he can do some training with Amie. Of course, he never really gets worn out, actually. But we do our best.
Catch. 1, 2,
hike!
Whoa!
So JJ, just heads up.
Yes.
Patrick walks really fast, so you're gonna get your workout.
Awesome.
How is Patrick handling airplanes?
Airplanes? No problem.
Patrick! Good boy! Good job, Amie. Well, that was great desensitization for him, huh?
You did good.
Do you guys know what a guide dog is?
Yeah, what's that like? They kind of sniff its way.
A dog that guides people who can't see, right?
See, what he doesn't understand is that he and Patrick are like the same, because they have the same birthday.
Really? Do they really?
Oh, you didn't know that?
I didn't know that.
Yes.
That is so fascinating.
They share the same birthday.
That's so cool.
They're the exact same personality.
Oh.
Matt is very argumentative. Patrick's very argumentative. Matt is very stubborn. Patrick's very stubborn.
Very
Matt's like a bulldozer and he walks with really heavy feet. Patrick just bulldozes through everything.
So it rubs off each other.
They're
They're
the
like
same.
hand in hand.
They are the same.
Wow.